Hello folks, and welcome to another Parkside video. This is not going to be a product review video, at least for now. Here I have this Parkside Performance Brushless angle grinder. It's a cordless angle grinder. It's not working. I got it from a eBay auction. I do not know what's the problem. The seller either. Let me attach this Parkside battery. As you can see, it has some voltage. Now, when we try to start the angle grinder, nothing happens. So my plan for today is to open it and see what might be the problem and eventually repair it if possible. So let's remove this handle first, like this. Now let me select a bit. I think it's this one. No, it's bigger. As you can see, it's quite dirty over here and here and here, and it was even dirtier. So when I got it, I first cleaned it outside. Now I will see what's the condition inside. After removing all screws, now it's time to open it. Well, inside the condition is not that bad as it was on the outside. Just some dust. Now let's take a look at the parts. Here we have the brushless motor, 3 wires coming out from it. We have this switch over here, this heatsink, a little capacitor, the battery connector, we have 2 switches connected to each other. I'm not sure what's the idea here, but I will have to measure them if they're making proper contact when pressed down. I really doesn't like the way how the capacitor is attached to this board. I think this is a printed circuit board, and after that it was covered with this resin, and I don't like the way how the heatsink is made, again with some glue, maybe silicone. I'm not sure if this is made in the factory or it's some sort of repair. Yes, this definitely is. Oh, what we have here. And folks, here is our problem. We have this printed circuit board blown off in really bad condition. I have to clean this and examine it a little bit closer. Hopefully I will manage to repair this with my soldering skills. Now we can see better the defect on the printed circuit board. I will have to remove the heatsink to see what element exactly did this. Unfortunately, after removing the heatsink, it turned out that there is a major hole in the circuit board, and the MOSFET transistor that was in this place is totally destroyed. Here you can see the remaining 5 MOSFET transistors. I won't be able to repair the board, so I'll have to search for a spare or maybe even buy another model. Here you can see the brushless motor. It's a sensorless brushless motor, 3-phase. The funny thing is that this is Parkside Performance 2, and look how badly it defected. So that's from me for now, guys. Stay tuned and subscribe.